Texas Governor Greg Abbott on Tuesday signed into law voting restrictions that Republican backers say are intended to combat voter fraud. While critics contend the law only makes it harder for Democratic-leaning minorities to cast ballots. The new law will prohibit drive-through and 24-hour voting locations and will add new identification requirements for mail-in voting. It also will restrict who can help voters requiring assistance, prevent officials from sending out unsolicited mail-in ballot applications, and empower partisan poll watchers. Civil rights groups immediately filed suit to challenge the law's legality, arguing in a federal court that the law unduly burdens the right to vote in violation of the U.S. Constitution's First Amendment and 14th Amendment, while also saying it is intended to limit minority voters' access to the ballot box in violation of a federal law called the Voting Rights Act. This is the latest in a series of laws passed this year in Republican-led states, creating new barriers to voting following Republican former President Donald Trump's false claims that the 2020 election was stolen from him through widespread voting fraud. President Joe Biden, a Democrat, has likened the voting restrictions enacted in Republican-led states to the so-called Jim Crow laws that once disenfranchised black voters in southern states. Democrats in the U.S. Congress have not mustered the votes to pass national voting rights legislation that would counter the new state laws.